Hey Laura, Corey here. Real quick, I just want to give you a what we could actually do inside the Las Vegas area. Doing the research and prompt, there's not a whole lot of clicks that are happening for the cleaning service, but in the Vegas area, we'll be sitting really nice as long as we have a few things in place. We do need a website. This is Molly Maids. I just want to give you a quick example of a few different things. So the first thing to actually get a website ranking on the first page of Google, the first thing, the number one step actually comes down to the content. How much information do you are you providing the general public, and how detailed is it? So we need at least 800 to 1,000 words minimum on that first page of the website, just really authoric. And after that, I'm gonna get into citations and backlinks. You can actually take anybody's URL and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool. It just lets you see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So with all that content that we have, we're also going to have what's called keywords inside of it. So if I go inside of Ahrefs, I can actually see all the keywords that they're actually ranking for in the Las Vegas area. So you got maid service Las Vegas. There's 250 clicks every single month just on that one keyword. You got cleaning services Las Vegas, house cleaning Las Vegas, another 300 clicks, another 600 clicks. So there's well over 1,000 clicks just in the cleaning service in the Las Vegas area. And this KD right here, that stands for keyword difficulty. It's out of 0 and 100. It's just really how hard is it to rank for those keywords. So out of 0 and 100, we're going to be playing about 8, 9. Which it's not too difficult to actually rank. It's actually a little bit lower. So it'll take to organically rank. It'll be about 30 to 60 days for everything to actually organically rank. But we can actually do a little bit of ads as well. And I'm just going to pull this up. If you go to House Cleaning Las Vegas, this is what you're going to see just right off of Google. And we could actually, these are called Google guarantees. These are old traditional ads. And what they did is they got so sick of all these spammy phone calls, so they came out with Google guarantees. It's supposed to help eliminate those spammy calls. But ads are kind of actually starting to go away. They came up with ad blockers in 2020. So we can definitely do a little bit of ads as long as it's done right and everything's optimized, which I actually still like running ads personally. But then this right here, this little map section, that's to actually rank in that section, it's going to be dealing with what's called a citation with your website. And what a citation is, it's a business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. And there's a few different other things that we have to optimize and back end stuff that we have to do to actually get that ranking. But right underneath that, this is all that organic stuff. This is all comes down to what's on your website, all that content, all that keywords stuffed inside of it, but also what's called a backlink. And what a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's ultimately pushing power back to it. So right now they got 22 different domains, different websites linking back, which is pushing back 132 different backlinks. So I got to go actually inside of these domains and find these ones that we're actually get. We're going to get the same ones, but also go out there and go get a lot more, so that way we can actually outrank them and push a lot more power. But anyway, if we go back inside of those keywords, on average, I would it's roughly about 15-20%, especially dealing with these KDs that we can actually capture. So if you got 600 clicks, 300 clicks, another 250, just out of those 3 keywords alone, there's over 1,000 words, and I would say a good 20% we'd be able to catch those leads. So that way we actually can start cleaning more houses. We can get referrals. We can put up a little bit of Facebook ads as well inside of there to really drum things up right at the beginning as well. But anyway, love to talk to you a little bit more. My number is 702-292-0810. Talk to you soon. Bye.